Let's let this thing warm up for a couple of minutes before we take it on a test ride. I'd like to get a little heat in the cylinders first. I just started it, it's not quite warm yet. So we're going to see how this velocity stack does. If we need to do any major jetty changes or what. Alright, that ought to be warm enough. Let these cars pass. So maybe a little bit fatter everywhere, a little bit fatter on the needle, a little bit fatter on the air fuel screw, a little bit bigger main jet. We'll find out as soon as we pull the plugs. So overall, not bad. Not as bad as I thought it would be. A little bit fatter on the needle, a little bit fatter main jet probably, and maybe a little bit out on the air fuel screw. We'll see. Let's put the plugs first. All right, both plugs are pretty white, which I figured they would be. They both look identical, same shading, both white. So yeah, it's not staying on that bike. So at least now we know when I do it on the other bike, I'll have to jet it a little bit differently because it's ported heads and different cams and different rev limit, all that crap. So at least now we get an idea what it does. Like I said, they're both pretty white there, and you can feel it in the bike. It revved better than it did with other air cleaner on there with that Figure machine air cleaner, but needs some love. What I did notice when I was just pulling the plugs out, the rear cylinder head gasket starting to leak a little bit. Got some oil around there from somewhere. So I guess it's time to put a 1200 kit in that thing. You know, all I need is one cylinder where the fins are busted off that one cylinder we had. And we'll do a 1200 kit on that thing instead of just replacing the damn gaskets. Since we already have everything, I just have to modify those heads, relieve the compression a little bit. But that's it for the velocity stack. Bike actually ran better than it did with that air cleaner on it, other than some jetting changes it needs. But I'm putting that air cleaner back on there because that stack isn't for that bike. It's for the other Sportster, like I said. So anyway, that's it. If you put one on, if you buy one, first off, you're going to have to modify the shit out of it to even fit on the carburetor. I don't know if you've been looking at them. You see them, they say they fit Harley CV carbs. They don't at all, not even close. I had to drill all the holes out to get it to fit. And yeah, I did try and turn it 37 damn times to get it to fit, and holes don't line up, period. Anything. So had to drill 2 holes out and slot the other one just to get it to fit in there. But it fits. But that's it for this. You guys have a great week. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and have a great week. Thank you.